cycle of life, eh?
Yeah, cycle of
Right.
life. Because in this cycle, don't ever underestimate a small thing.
Bicycle.
A small thing makes you a big thing. Iyo. Nakalilay ko bedaya ndo na mon lilay le mbula kire ndo na mon levu ko na mon levu ko le mukuto kania ko le mbula kire ko ni o mai lengo ko le mbula tali kire ndwa. Si?
Berapa besar? Iya, nah
Titi
itu.
tito ko ndo na ngonto kana moni. Iya, good morning,
Why-
good morning.
This is one kuskusi magel, eh? Right.
What about the weather here in the last night? You live here what time? Night?
Woo! The weather was, I don't know about the weather. I just went off to sleep.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes. I was really tired yesterday.
right.
So,
Eleanor was in town when the heavy rain.
Yes.
Iya.
See, how come?
very heavy rain
Mm.
at the bus stand.
So, we are thankful in the city of Suba now. You can see the dark cloud in the blue color.
Right.
Yeah. They are coming in the form of love. Blue means deep. Blue means love.
Right.
Blue means sea. Where there is sea, there is
Love.
salt. Yeah. See?
Can you describe the process of making salt?
Okay,
Yeah.
the process of making salt. This is
Right.
from my mind.
Right.
See, if you see a salt,
Right.
you see a water. What did you see?
Sea salt.
No, you see a color.
All
You
right.
see a blue color.
Right.
Right.
It depending on where category they are.
Right.
Yes.
Was a titomu they are blue. In the
Shallow.
sand they are whitish.
Iya.
Right.
Right.
In the lolombo
Oh,
there
okay.
is a greenish.
Oh,
Eh?
Iya.
okay.
Iya.
That's why we need to carry the right salt
Right.
at different category of life.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Where can you find the pure salt?
in
Deep
the
in the-
deep ocean.
Yeah.
Right.
Deep ocean.
Right.
Iya.
So where there is deep blue sea, that's why when you bought a trousers, Ali,
Yes.
when you bought a trousers, Ali, the Willimai, sometime when we wash it,
Yes.
what happened?
The color fades.
The color fades.
Right.
If you take it, you put into
Salt.
a salt
Right.
water.
Yes.
What will happen?
It will retain its color.
It will be a bond that nobody else can be separated.
Okay. All right. Right.
That's why we need to. If you see the salt,
Yeah.
the process of the salt, you come. I don't know because I never see.
Iya.
The process of
Cook
making
the
salt. Cook the
seawater.
Yeah, seawater.
Right.
Cook the seawater
Yeah.
and make it dry.
Right.
The heavy one will remain.
right.
Yeah.
The light one will be fly.
So, okay, talking about the lee and the salt and the color, so the salt will keep the color intact, eh?
Right.
How about the salt in the dog?
Come again?
The salt in the dog. Salty the dog.
If you salty a dog,
Right. Hot
You-
dog.
if you salty a dog,
Iya.
because a dog is a human, is a
Not a human being.
is a animal, eh? Kaya kamu lah. Kalau tahu may human being. Kaya kamu lah.
If the dog is
kita
a
mata
human
tamu.
being,
Yeah.
it is Nemesi.
Because you see the dog.
Yeah.
Hey, ano binaka? LT went to the region of the Bentari, brother, boleh binaka.
Dog
So,
human. Yeah.
if you see a dog, you see a salt.
Right.
Because salt,
Yeah.
where there is salt,
Assault.
there is sour. Dog, sometimes they eat salt. Iyo.
Okay.
Don't
And the cows too. When the cow is one angry cow.
Yeah.
Eh?
One angry or wild cow.
Wild cow, yeah.
What will happen? If you give them the salt,
They will?
They will remain silent and humbleness.
Right.
Erna
Dinosaur.
they won't be wildy.
Iya.
Eh? Erna siya talingay kila.
Iya, iya.
There will be no more wildy.
How about one devil? Show up.
If one devil show up,
Yeah.
salt, you put them the salt, they will derose.
Woohoo!
Ernali.
They will run away, disappear.
Run away. They will run away because they know.
What power does the salt have?
I know. Read your Bible. Kaya na masih See? How come?
Right, thank you, thank you.
Brother, John Kumar boleh nakatira itumbuna.
Okay, when there's a cut in your body,
Right.
you you clean the cut with salt.
Kadu salt berulang na tomon.
Yeah, masih matakan away. Away kata-kata.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Yeah, maybe we try.
Yeah.
Because one day
Iya.
I got a cut on my leg,
Right.
Iya.
and one of my tutu bring a lemon, a moli.
Yes.
Kona moli karo.
Yes.
Lako sartu kami nandra when the blood was coming.
Iya.
Sang day lomba hindi pa kami sa konta inabang.
Iya.
Yeah.
lomba ini na biba kurang buitaki.
Right.
Would
The
they?
blood was stop.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what my mother used to do.
Kira
too.
sa wish takit sikandra. We wish we can turn back time them is.
Ay,
Yes,
foi. Rata saramantangan na isulu. Kau ko di bangkaran bula. Bangkara saramatan di tadi.
Ay, lay. Ano binaga laps to tonga?
Leps. Satu mo takin eh. Misalnya setelah mati balim bulu kotsingo.
Amay Jerry, ana refi.
Ah.
Namang ko buno bala bala.
The Messi man.
Oh yeah, I love you and you love me, love for eternity.
May nabuke lebu serua yang mataka di kuwa
Yeah,
mati
hidden
marabu.
angel.
Hidden angel.
Hidden
What
angel.
long time
Oh,
never
okay.
saw you.
What
What's
about-
that, Andre?
Amay Jerry.
Amay Jerry ko na tabalan dito sa masarto may Australia.
Yan binaka.
Yan Renaka. John Kumar tinay tumbuna Joseph Atehana yan
Renaka.
Renaka.
Nabe Mari Kabunimbaka.
Right.
Oh, nabe kada tumingaw.
Right.
Tong gito.
Iyo.
Mari Kabunimbaka ko to tikumatang ko bat kay tabali tamay Jerry.
Oy, oy.
Batali kina kay Big Kali.
Bikali.
Yo Kali ndo na turang ang balabundondua.
Oh, iya.
Siya matumi kina may Australia.
Sabi na.
May tao, Kali, bule binaka. Bimbito bito may Jerry kina bubale. Ndo siya mabule. Kira kita luwebiti.
Iyo.
Era sa libing karabi, sa lintende, sabang nananumay nanonda bonua, so sabaka sa halag mataw tali.
Iya.
Na tubiawaki, sabang nini binaka, sabang bule tani biti, kami mimbulang bule binaka nanonda bonua.
Right.
Kami, hey, leps tutonga. Dong bule bina main dala sui, matala, waikete na kelo tele.
Eh, beto mataka ni mataka. Go